everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So today's video is going to be about how to clean your makeup brushes and sponges. There are many ways. In this video I will show you how I used to clean my makeup brushes and sponges. I want to tell you something. I have heard many girls saying that after applying makeup they tend to get acne and breakouts. Do you know one thing? One of the main reasons is to use uncleaned makeup brushes and sponges. I have literally seen girls using the same sponges more than a month. No guys, let's clean it now. First I have taken Good Vibes neem oil. You can use any brand. So next I am mixing coconut oil along with this in a plastic container. Basically why you are using oil is, oil first they will melt the settled makeup for a long time. So it will be very easy for us to clean in the second procedure. So that's the reason we are going to use oil. So why I am using neem oil is because they are antibacterial. So there are much added benefits. So I'm using coconut oil and neem oil. I'm going to use 30% of neem oil and 70% of coconut oil, and I'm going to mix them. So yeah. So once the oil is mixed, we're going to soak the tools in the oil. See my sponge. Yeah. See the before and after. Yeah, my brushes. Everything is well used. I think it's been a week or so I cleaned my makeup tools. So like this you have to keep stippling your brushes and your tools. First the oil has to soak in really well, so the oil will melt the settled makeup. I'll let them sit for 20 minutes. So see, now the makeup is melting from the brush. So this is the reason we used oil. So basically neem oil and coconut oil might be little sticky and they might smell a little hard. So what we're going to do is, next step we're going to remove this excessive oil and remove that leftover makeup. Now I've taken neem face wash. You can use any face wash or soap, water, anything. So I have taken neem because again it's antibacterial, it's much better. So in this water, we're gonna soak all your makeup brushes and sponges and we're gonna clean them thoroughly. This pink color tool is from Pune store. I got it from Amazon. So they have got some textures. So it's very easy to clean your brushes. You can just go along with the texture and you can clean. So yeah, like this I'm going to clean all brushes one by one. Yay! I cleaned them in the running tap water. Basically, I used a little warm water to clean it. See how fresh and new they look, no? This is how we are supposed to clean our brush, guys. Very simple. Maybe for the video it looks long, but when you do it, it's very, very simple and easy. So yes, let's stay hygienic, guys. So let them dry in the open air under the shade. So I've kept them in my balcony. So that's it. Very simple guys, this is how I clean my makeup brushes. If you guys got any of the different techniques, please share in the comment box. It will be very, very helpful for all of us. So until next time, stay gorgeous and stay happy. See you soon. Bye-bye.